What's going on, guys? Sorry about delay. I've been sick. Feeling much better now. So we unboxing a ASUS Dual AMD Radeon RX 6600 with AMD's RDNA 2 architectural. It's a Full HD 1080p. It has 8 GB of 8 GB of memory, gigabytes. PCIe 4.0. Now, this is a good graphics card. A good low-end graphics card. It will play games and all that. Shouldn't have much troubles playing games. Now, you ain't gonna get as much FPS with this one as you would do with the high end. Also, most games nowadays is going for a 16 GB graphics card. But either way, 8 GB is still pretty much standard today, even though they're slowly moving to 16 GB. So what we got on the back here? We got to protect the back plate. Excel Tech fan design, included software, which we probably ain't gonna use. Display port, HDMI. Features has AMD. Can you see that, guys? Do I gotta zoom in? Let me zoom in. There we go. It has an AMD Fidelity FX, Radeon Anti-Lag, DirectX 12 Ultimate, AMD RDNA 2 architectural, 7 nanometers GPU, and HDMI 2.1 VRR. So, like I said, this is a good graphics card. I haven't used Radeon. I always went with NVIDIA, but yeah, I put an older version of Radeon in my grandson's computer. Now I'm putting another one, this one here, into my other grandson's computer. So yeah, should be a-okay, guys. Let me see what we got going on here after I just destroyed this box. Jesus. Did they not give us any, So here we go. There's a manual. There's the manual. Nice thin manual. Some pictures. This is... Let me shine some light. What does this say? Don't know what that is. I'll look it up. Warranty card. Thank you. This might be... Yeah, I don't know. I would scan this QR code right here. And in the next video I'll get back to you, or I might just do a short. But where's the... It doesn't come with no accessories? That's what I was getting at. It sure don't. Huh. Alright. No accessories, guys. No HDMI cable, no nothing. Just the graphics card and this. I don't know. I mean, I guess that's normal for the low end. Well, the low end is actually a 6500. But anyways, I probably ain't gonna put the tape off, the plastic off yet. I'll do that when I build my grandson's computer. This is going inside my grandson's computer. So this is a nice little card. Not bad. This card got a lot of good reviews, guys. Like, it will play games and all that. But if you're trying to do hardcore stuff with it, like production or editing or whatever, I wouldn't go with this card. I would go with the higher up card. Alright. So you got a PCIe slot right here. Plug it in, plug it in. Put this bad boy back on. Hopefully, there we go. You got the power for the PCIe, the PCIe power right here. Got one. That's good. I think the higher ends gets two of them on though. I'm pretty sure. Let's see. You got. What we got here? Got a digital display port. Digital display port right here. And I think the rest of these are HDMI. I'm pretty sure. If I can get these out. Yep, HDMI right here. Oh, you got three display ports and one HDMI. Okay. Cool. That's good. All right. Sorry, guys. I'm still a little on the sick side here. I'm trying here, so here we go. Looks like it got two. That looks like, I could be wrong on the size of the fans, but that looks like two. I don't think it's 120 fans. It might be 120 fans. Let me look here. They look kind of small for 120 fans. They might be 90 fans. Anyways, as you can see, it got aluminum, all aluminum pipes and fins. I would like to see copper pipes, but that's okay. It's alright. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for this unboxing. Soon I'll be able to put all this together, and I will do that. I will do that. I'll make a video of that too. Do it. So yeah, exciting time. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys later.